Insider secret, most renters insurance costs less than your monthly streaming services, but protects everything you own. I've worked with hundreds of renters who lost everything in fires and thefts without coverage. First, shop around. Don't just go with your car insurance company. Compare at least 3 quotes from companies like Lemonade, State Farm, and Progressive. Rates can vary by hundreds of dollars for identical coverage. Next, know exactly what you need. Take inventory of your stuff: furniture, electronics, clothes. Most people underestimate their belongings by $20,000 or more. That designer jacket, your gaming setup, it adds up fast. Look for bundling discounts. Many companies offer 15 to 20% off when you combine renters with auto insurance. That's basically free pizza money every month. Pay attention to liability coverage. This protects you if someone gets injured in your place or you accidentally damage someone else's property. The difference between $100,000 and $300,000 in liability is often just a few dollars more. Consider actual cash value versus replacement cost. Replacement cost pays what items cost new, while actual cash value factors in depreciation. Always choose replacement cost. It's typically only $5 to $10 more monthly. Finally, ask about specific riders for valuables like jewelry, musical instruments, or collectibles. Standard policies cap coverage for these items. Smart renters get covered before they need it. The average claim is $12,000, but the average annual premium is just $175. That's protection that actually makes financial sense.